switch off the light. So this is how it's gonna reflect once you're done making. So it's really gonna look beautiful.
Item used to make the craft are a bowl, tissue paper, FEVICOL, marker pens, needle, a LED bulb, wire, holder, plug, a scissors, thread, colors, a balloon, and the designs on a paper.
Now let's start. At first blow the balloon and keep it aside. Mix some FEVICOL and water in the bowl to make a concentrate, and then apply the concentrate on the balloon with a brush. After that, tear the tissue paper randomly and paste on the balloon. First apply a single layer of tissue paper, then again apply the second layer of tissue paper on the balloon with the help of the FEVICOL concentrate. Repeat the process until you cover the balloon with 5 to 6 layers of tissue paper. And then let it dry.
After it dries, it will become harder and look like this.
Now draw a circle on the tissue paper with the help of a thread. At first place the thread on the tissue paper, making a circle over it, and then mark over it with a pencil or marker pen to make a circle. After this, brush the balloon with a needle, or take it out from the tissue paper. You will get an oval or half-round shaped tissue paper left behind. Now cut the tissue paper along the circle you have drawn on the tissue paper with a scissor.
After that, make design on the tissue paper. You can use any design of your choice, from internet, books, or from any design previously drawn by you.
Now it's time to color it. Use your own imagination to color it to the next level. After completing this part, let it dry for a few hours. Now make a hole in the middle of the tissue paper with the help of a needle, so that we can pass a wire through it. Now connect the holder and LED bulb inside the tissue paper. And on the other end of the wire, connect the plug. Now, your heritage hanging lamp is ready. Hang it in a nice place in your room and multiply the beauty of your room with your creativity. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay connected with us by subscribing our channel. If you like the video, please do like and share. Don't forget to comment on the video. Thank you for watching.